fact, I'm going to put this one smaller part just up on YouTube. So I wanted to show it to you one more way, okay? This is third time's a charm for some of you. You're going to get this, right? Okay, so here's RUBP. Some of you are like, I already have it. Here's RUBP. How many carbons are in each RUBP? 5. How many of them do I have? 3. Okay, so each one of these RUBPs is going to hook up with a CO2. So there's 5 plus 1 is what? 6. And then here's another one going to hook up with another CO2. 5 plus 1 is 6, and here's one more. Okay, when it does that, I know that looks complicated. We now, instead of having 3 C5s and some C1s, we have 3 C6. But they're unstable. It's kind of like when you hook that CO2 on, they're like, oh, and it breaks apart. So now, instead of having 3 C6s, what do we have? 6 what? C3s. Okay? So we had 3 C5 plus 3 C1, and that gave us 3 C6s. Then each of those broke in half, so now we have 6 C3s. Now we're going to use some ATP, use some reduced NADP on these 6 C3s. Move that over. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I gave myself a bonus. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 6. So now we have 6 high energy molecules. Each of those is a half of a glucose. Okay? So I have 6 of them. I'm going to just take one of those away and siphon it off. So this is a half of a glucose right here. There we go. And its name is G3P. How many do I have left here now? 5. Okay. And each one of them has 3 carbons in it, right? What's 5 times 3? 15. I'm going to rearrange these molecules. If I'm going to do some rearranging, it's going to cost me some what? ATP. So now I'm going to use some ATP and rearrange them right back into the RUBP again. Now I have 3 C5s. If I do this whole thing all over again and make another 6 PJLs or G3Ps, and siphon off one again, now I have 2 halves of glucose, which is one whole glucose. Okay? Good, thanks.